Think you're crushing your bench press? Here's the truth. Most people aren't building their chest. They're wrecking their shoulders. And the scary part? You probably don't even realize it. So let me ask, are you pressing for strength or just pressing for pain? Let's start with what goes wrong. Mistake number 1. Elbows flared out wide like chicken wings. Sure, you can push more weight this way for a while, but your shoulders are screaming at you. Long term, that's a one-way ticket to injury. Mistake number 2. Bouncing the bar off your chest. It's not a trampoline. It might stroke your ego, but it's robbing your muscles of real tension. And mistake number 3. Your back lying flat as a pancake. No arch, no stability, no power. You wouldn't build a skyscraper on sand, right? Then don't build your lift without a foundation. So, how do we fix it? Let's tease this out step by step. First, think about your setup before you even touch the bar. Your bench press is only as strong as your base. Feet flat on the floor, pressing into the ground like you're trying to push it away. That's your anchor. Now, your shoulder blades, squeeze them back and down, like you're trying to pinch a pencil between them. Feel that tightness? That's your body locking into position, protecting your shoulders. Already feels different, right? Alright, now for the real mechanics. 1. Grip hands just outside shoulder width. 2 narrow. You're turning it into a triceps workout. 2 wide. You're stressing your joints. 2. Bar path. Lower the bar to your mid-chest. Not your throat, not your belly. Straight line down, but a slight arc back up. Think of it like drawing a shallow J. 3. Elbows. Tuck them at about a 45-degree angle. This is the sweet spot. Maximum chest engagement, minimal shoulder risk. 4. Breathing and core. Take a deep breath. Brace your abs like someone's about to punch you, and hold it as you lower the bar. That's your skyscraper foundation again, solid and unshakable. 5. Press. Push the bar up explosively, but under control. Don't just launch it. Imagine you're pushing yourself into the bench, not the bar away from you. Subtle shift, huge difference. Want to take it to the next level? Use leg drive. Press your feet into the ground as you push the bar, like you're launching yourself backward. Keep your wrists stacked directly over your elbows. Straight wrists, not bent. Saves your joints and transfers more power. And here's a pro tip. Film yourself. The camera never lies. What feels right might not actually look right. Let's compare. Wrong form. Flared elbows, bar bouncing. No back arch, you're unstable, weak. And 1 bad rep from an injury. Right form. Feet planted, shoulders locked, elbows tucked, bar path clean. Now you're lifting like an athlete, not just a gym bro.